Welcome again. Hope you enjoyed our last video on better sleep and well-being. My name is Nicholas.
This is Shayma from IKEA. I'm working as interior design. Now our topic is about the smart solutions and the light. Light is essential for the human being. It will affect our mood, our life, and it will give us the push for our day. Decreasing the use of the artificial light will help you get a better sleep. For the artificial light, usually we have three types. General light, we have the functional light, and we have the mood light.
We have this Start Free, which is a wireless remote. And with this help of this remote, we can control the light. We can switch on and off the light. Plus, you have the option to go ahead and dim the light according to the mood.
This light, it will support the function, what's happening here. For example, if we are reading, we can move it and control it to support our reading. Or even if we want to sleep also, we can use this to close it easily or to dim it. Another fact about the light, that it will make you wake up even if it doesn't reach your eyes. And for this reason, usually we use 3 layers of curtains in the bedroom, which we prefer to be 3 layers.
We have this majgool, which is a blackout curtain, okay, which comes in 6 different colors. Plus we have this blind, which will go ahead and stop the lights from shining inside the room. With the help of this remote, we can go ahead and make the blind up and down with a timer.
The mirror have a good part that it will reflect the light wherever you are in the room, so it will make it more brighter and shiny, and it will give a bigger space for your room if it's small. At the end, we find that the smart technology made our life easier and better.